Welcome to this video of adding the Wii Remote Control to control the Novo 8. So I'm going to turn that back on. So I've added this app called Wii Remote Controller. So from this app you can use this to connect the remote and control it. So when we start this app, it's got these functions here. First you need to, when you start up this app, the buttons are not mapped to any function. You have to go to this load button, and I've created a preset setting where you can use the remote to control the device using these directional buttons and A and B, similar to how the joypad or trackball is used. So the left and right will actually highlight the items, and pressing A will select it, and pressing B is actually the same as the back button. And also you can use the minus, home and plus to control the video player. The home is for play and pause, the minus is for rewind, the plus is for fast forward, and also the 1 and the 2 are used for controlling the volume. So 1 will go increase the volume and 2 will decrease the volume. So here I'm going to go to the go and load that in the configuration. So if you touch this, you'll see that there the up button is mapped to up, and then if we select the home button, it's actually mapped to pause and play. So after the configuration for the button mapping is loaded, you can press this start button. It will, if you don't have Bluetooth turned on, it's going to turn on Bluetooth, and then you can press 1 and 2 to sync the remote. So once it's synced up, it will start up these servers that's on the top left there, like a remote controller there, and that's where we are connected now. So then we can use, so now I'm using the back button to control it, and then I can use the left right buttons here to go, and pressing A will select the item. So I'm going to go to the video player, press A to select it, and then I can use the direction buttons to go up and down and highlight stuff. So while we're in the video player, I'm going to get this connected to the TV and try to play the video player and use the play, pause, and the fast forward and rewind buttons. So I'm just going to bring down the HDMI and choose 1080p. So here, then we can remotely control. So I'm currently using my remote to control the menus. So oops, it switched back because I didn't press the select it in time, so I'm going to select it again. Here I'm going to go OK. So I'm just going to zoom out from a TV. Here, so I'm actually using the remote to go up, down. I'm going to select a movie here. So press A button, select. Here. Then I can use a fast forward button here, the plus, to go fast forward, then press play again to play it. And the minus button to rewind, press play to, and then over here I have the plus and minus. I can increase the volume, pressing plus here, and then minus to decrease volume. And then I can, if we want to go to another movie, we can just press the B button here, which quits the movie, and you can select something else. So I'm going to quit the movie. You can also use this to navigate here, the left, right. So I'm going to pick the browser. Here, and can use this to navigate. I'm going to choose news, and then can use the up and down arrows to highlight the links. So yeah. And then you can use again to scroll the page, the up down buttons. And B, you can quit, go back, back, and there, that's the end. Thank you for watching.